Shamrock 961 Heavy, set up San Francisco Tower, good day.
Tower, Shamrock 961. Tower, Shamrock 961 with you, visual approach 28 right.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, good afternoon. Traffic holding on runway 1, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land, Shamrock 961.
Affirmative, Shamrock 961 Heavy, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 28 right, Shamrock 961.
Harry 9208 with you for 28 left.
208 San Francisco Tower, caution return, Heavy A230, ahead to the right for the parallel. Traffic holding on runway 1, runway 28 left, clear to land.
Land 28 left, 9208.
Shamrock 961, just advise we are going to go around unstable.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, roger, go around, 5 runway heading, maintain 3000.
Go around, maintain runway heading 3000, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, just verify you're going around.
United 20, just want to clarify, we're clear to land on 28 left, correct?
208, affirmative.
Thanks, sir.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, contact locale departure 135.1.
Number 17 Quebec Sierra is with you. Visual 18 left.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, northbound San Francisco, altimeter 2981, Romeo still current. You can expect a visual approach runway 28 left.
Expect visual approach 28 left, we're requesting ILS approach, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, unable ILS right now, unless you want a vector for delay to get you by yourself on final.
Shamrock 961.
961, just requesting 28 right, please.
Pleasure inbound, but once you get the airport in sight, can you do a visual approach like that?
Okay, 961, requesting 28 right and visual approach is okay.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, roger. Again, it'll be a delay vector for 28 right also. It can give you 28 left right now and a visual approach tracking the localizer, or I can give you a resequence and get you 28 right just fine. It's up to you.
Okay, we'll take 28 left visual approach, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, thank you. Maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5.
Tower 120.5, Shamrock 961. Tower Shamrock 961 with you. Establish visual approach 28 left.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, welcome back. Runway 28 left, clear to land. Traffic holding on runways 1.
Clear land 28 left, Shamrock 961.
961 Heavy, turn left at Echo, contact ground.
Left at Echo and ground, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, center ground. Join Bravo, safe parking.
Bravo, apparently expecting Bravo 5 will confirm, Shamrock 961.
961 Heavy, roger, clear the runway. Bravo Hotel Alpha to the ramp.
Bravo Hotel Alpha to the ramp, clear runway, Shamrock 961.
Ground, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961, should we talk into the ramp 127.575?
Ground, Shamrock 961.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry to be on the frequency again. No, we're talking to ramp here, okay, but can I just pass on to you? I'm going to file an air safety report for the two approaches we did because really, it's just not acceptable.
Sorry, what did you say?
Yeah, I'm going to file an air safety report just on, a visual approach, then followed by another visual approach for another runway with no precision approach guidance. I'll file anyway later, but we won't talk about it now. But just to let you might just let your colleagues in radar know. Thank you.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, did you want the phone number for approach?
No, it's okay. Look, we'll file it anyway, and sure we can do the follow up from home then. It's okay.
Okay, sounds good.